Patty. Welcome back to Patty's Place. And I'm hungry. So we're going to try a mystery snack box. There's 30 mystery Japanese snacks in here. I got this on, so it's called Ninja's Treats. And there are 30 snacks in here. I got this on Amazon, cost $19.99. Good deal as far as I'm concerned. I'm sure they're just small little snacks, which is fine. I'm not looking to eat a gazillion things right now, but I'm going to sample and let you know what I think. Again, I got it on Amazon, so I'm going to link it down below for you if you're interested. Give it a try. But let's open it up and see what we have inside. All right. So how's everybody's weekend going? It's Sunday here. Just having a nice leisurely day at home. Just finished filming a Temu video. Bunch of fun stuff from Temu. I'm actually expecting another Temu package any day now, and then a sponsored package is on its way too. So we'll see. So when you open it up, you get a little pamphlet for Ninja's Treats, and it tells you, it's a little pamphlet to let you know what's inside. And when you open it up, there's a little listing, or not a little, it's quite a bit of items in there, and it tells you what each thing is. So I'm excited. This is going to be fun. I love trying snacks. I know when we go to Disney, we go to Epcot, we go to all the different countries, all the different pavilions, and one of my favorites is Japan. So I'm excited to try all the snacks. So we're going to dive right in here, and we are going to open up this first item. So I'm going to need my glasses for this, and I apologize ahead of time for the glare that the lights have on my glasses, but I cannot see without them. So let's see. This first item, I'm trying to see if I can find it on the page here. That looks like a little fish on the front, doesn't it? Looks like a little fish. I don't see it. But then again, the pictures are really, really small. Interesting. You know what? I'm going to set that one aside for now because I don't see that one at all. This might be a little, oh, here we go. All right, here we go. This one is called Ichigo Mug. They're chocolate coated wheat puffs. But that looks like strawberry to me. But you know what? What the heck? Let's just open it and see what they are. Are they wheat puffs? I don't know. Let me try. All right, so I open it up, and inside we have one of these little, like a little pink, little tiny thing. Okay. Yep, I get the wheat puff, but again, it's covered in pink, and that's like a strawberry. It's good. Do I love it? No. And I mean, there's no way I can read any of that. It's all in Japanese. The name of it's in Japanese. Do I love it? No, I don't. Do I hate it? No, I don't hate it. When I go back to the Japan Pavilion, will I buy it? No, I will not. So according to this, you can also get a set with 40 snacks in it, and that would be these 10. So I'm just going to fold that away because that's not going to be part of this grouping, I'm assuming. You know what they say when you assume, though. Okay, so this bag here contains Waragaki yellow beer-like beverage. Oh, okay. So you have to mix it into cold water and stir. So what the heck? I'll go get some cold water and we'll see what it tastes like. I'll be right back. Okay, so I mixed it up. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this. It's supposed to be a beer-like beverage, non-alcoholic. Here goes. Does it taste terrible? No. Does it taste like beer? No, thank God, because I don't like beer. Do I love it? No. So much like the first item, it's okay. It's not terrible. So let's move on to the next item. What is the next item? Let's see. I'm trying to like look and see if I see something right away that looks like I can place it on this box. Now, it's kind of confusing. I guess we'll kind of do like a process of elimination. This, oh, I see. Okay, here we go. These are little number-shaped chocolates. So this is the number 8. The number 8. And it comes with little chocolates. And I guess you just pop them through the little hole like this and eat the chocolate. So here's a little chocolate. Yeah. You know, this reminds me of Sixlets. If you ever have Sixlets, that's what that reminds me of. Okay. Next up, we've got, these are little crackers. They're Sonaku cracker, triangle-shaped vegetable cracker. I'll try them. See, what I'll do too is like anything that's in here that I really love, I'll make a note of it and I'll go and I'll get them when I go to Epcot. So here's a little Sonaku triangular-shaped cracker. Those are delicious. Okay. Those are really, really good. It's a vegetable-shaped cracker. Yeah. Love those. Love, love, love those. Delicious. So that is going to go in the yes pile. Yes pile is on the right. Pile is on the left. We have a sleepy baby back here. All right. Now, what is this? The pictures on here are really, really small. So it's hard for me to tell, kind of. I mean, the box is really like just, it's packed with candy and snacks and stuff. So let's see. Here is a yellow, long yellow one. Let's see if I can figure out what this is. That looks like, yes, there it is right there. This is the Shimmy Choco corn snack soaked in chocolate. So let's give it a try. And obviously I'm not going to eat all of every single snack. I'm going to have a little taste of each one. I cannot possibly eat all 30 snacks, but I can have a taste of each one. So here it is. Let's give it a try. It's good. So that tastes like a kind of like a chocolate wafer. That's good. That's good. That's going in the delicious pile. That drink, I will not touch that. I mean, I didn't hate it, but I don't love it. So the drink is not something I'm gonna finish. Okay, now what the heck is this one? This has got a cute little character on the front. Cute little face. It's in a little yellow packaging. Let's see if I can find it. Now on the front it says corn potage. Now, oh, there it is. Corn potage. It looks like it's a corn stick. That's what it says. I can't get this thing open. All right. Let's just tear it open, shall we? Oh, this is cute. You know what? This kind of reminds me of like a cheese puff. So it's supposed to be corn. It looks like it might be corn and potato. I don't know. Let's try it. Interesting. So it has the consistency of like a cheese puff. That's what the consistency is. It's like a cheese puff. It doesn't taste like a cheese puff. It tastes, there's kind of some sweetness to it. Sweet and savory kind of all in one. Do I love that? No. Do I hate it? No, I don't. I haven't hated anything. I'm not a hater. I'm not a hater. I'm a lover, not a hater. Interesting. Let's just say interesting. And it looks like I got another one. Same little guy on there, but this is probably a different flavor, I would guess. So here's another one. And this one is called, I think this one is going to be spicy. I think this is a corn stick spicy. I'm not a fan of spicy. I'm not a fan of spicy, so we'll see. So it's the same thing. It's like the same consistency. I'm not really a fan of spicy, but we'll give it a try. No. I don't find that to be spicy at all. This one is actually better than the other one. I don't find any spiciness. Oh, that's good. That's good. I like that one. That one's much better. That's going to go in the I like it pile. All right, now, this one here, so it's interesting because this is clearly this is a bright blue package, right? But I don't see it on here. It says cream Colon. Oh, there it is. There it is. I found it. Mini cream filled biscuit rolls. Okay. Here we go. It's a little biscuit roll. And I can see there's like a creamy stuff in there, but oh, damn. That is good. It's just a little biscuit cracker with a cream center. Fabulous. Love, love, love that. That's going in the love pile. Wow. That's really good. I like that. Okay. Now, my gosh, there's a lot of snacks in here. What's this? So this to me looks like some type of a marshmallow. That's definitely some sort of a marshmallow in there. Now I'm guessing over in Japan they come in like different different colored packages, because it literally takes me a minute to find them on the page. Oh, there it is. I found it. Okay, it says that it's marshmallow with fruit jelly. Okay, well, let's try that. I don't know if I'm gonna like a marshmallow with a fruit jelly. To me, it doesn't look like it has any fruit jelly in it. It looks like just like a marshmallow. And I'm all about marshmallows. So there it is. Let's try it. Yeah. Yep. That's just a marshmallow. We'll put that in the love it pile because I love marshmallows. So, you know. Okay, this I got, this is, this is funny. They're calling it the Unchoco Animal or Unchoco Animal Poo-Shaped Chocolates. It's a surprise which animal you will receive. So I would say that looks like a dragon. And inside, I'm supposed to have poo-shaped chocolate, I guess. Let's open it up and see. Yeah, they're like pieces, they're little round candies. Again, I think they're probably going to taste like Sixlets. I'm guessing, but we'll open it and see. We will open it and see. So there's a little piece of what they're saying, poo-shaped chocolate. Okay. It's interesting. It's got, doesn't really taste chocolate to me. It tastes more like a sugar candy. That's really good though. I like that. I like that one a lot. Yeah. All right. Okay, this is what is called a home pie, a Fujiya home pie. I think it's probably like a cookie of some sort or a biscuit. Yes. Okay, it's a little biscuit, like a cookie biscuit. Cute. So it's just a little biscuit. I'll try it. That's good. It's like a shortbread. It definitely tastes like a shortbread to me. But that's really good. I like that. That's gonna go in the love it pile. I'm gonna have to vacuum in here when I'm done because I'm getting crumbs everywhere. Okay. I think that might be bubble gum. All right, let's see. What is this? This guy's got a little piece of fruit on the front. Interesting. I guess I would have to say it's not like super user-friendly. All right, we're gonna do this one. This is Compitu flower-shaped sugar candies. There's little sugar candies in there. They're in the shape of a flower. Give it a try. Okay. Little flower-shaped candy. Yeah. That's just pure sugar. Pure sugar. It's delicious though. I like it. All right. I'm still trying to figure this out here. What is this? Okay. These are called Umi Mints. They're plum-flavored candies. Plum-flavored mini candies. Our little Miss Callie girl is lying over here in the sun. She's usually up here so that y'all can see her, but she's just snuggled up over there on her blanket in the sun. Oh, geez. Okay, these are definitely mini. I don't even know if you can see that. There you go. Those are definitely mini. So I've got like a little handful of them here because they all fell out quick. Yeah. It says plum flavored. I'm definitely getting the plum flavor. They're a little bit tart. I'm definitely not going to eat all of those, but I'll try another couple. Yeah, those are good. I like those. I should have brought a pen and crossed everything off as I ate it. Hold on one second. All right, so next up we're going to do, this is the Mini Monster fruit candy. So it comes in this little package here, but then these are the little candies inside. So they look like little, like a straw shape. I think they're probably like a gummy. We'll see. We'll give them a try. See what we think. They're like, yeah, they're definitely like a little gummy. I'm just gonna pull a little piece off. Okay, that's good. I mean, it's pure sugar, which I'm not supposed to be eating right now, but you know. Okay. Yeah. Those are good. I like those. Very tasty. Cross that off. Well. All right. Next up. So this says It's a marshmallow cone. I mean, there's only so many marshmallow items, right? But, okay, here it is. The Mega Corn Marshmallow. Okay, well, it is just another marshmallow in a little sugar cone. I don't know. Very strange. But let's try it. So it literally looks like a teeny weeny ice cream cone. A little tiny ice cream cone. It's got like crystallized sugar on it. Okay. Oh, and that one does have a little jelly filling. I'm gonna bite into the cone too. Now, I love marshmallows. Do I love this? Not really. It's okay. I mean, am I going to run to the store and buy them? No, I'm not. I won't buy them. I won't look for them when I go to Japan. Not the real Japan, the fake Japan. The Japan Pavilion in Epcot. Okay, next, what do we got here? This says it's a choco chip cookie. Choco chip cookie by Country Ma'am. And what's funny is I cannot find it on the actual page. I mean, it should be pretty easy to spot. Oh, there it is. There it is. Choco chip vanilla cookie. Okay. All right, let's see. Wow, interesting. Okay, it's just one cookie. It's a little fat cookie. And I can tell it's got chocolate chips in it. That's good. You know who will really like this? Ed. Because he's a cookie monster. He loves cookies. All right, I'm getting crumbs all over me, my gosh. Okay. This is called Baby Star Ramen, or ramen. It's a crispy ramen snack. Do I have to add this to hot water? I think I do. And if that's the case, I'm not going to. Because, you know, I don't feel like it. Is this, or is it just like a little chip? Oh no, well, okay. No. I suppose you could add hot water to it, but you can just eat it like this. Like a snack. And they taste good. They're little snack pieces. Like noodles. Okay, I like those. Those are good. Those I give 2 thumbs up. Okay, these look like a couple more little crackers. These are called Melon Pandora Butter Flavored Biscuits. On the back it says hungry. Oh, they have different faces. Hungry, sleepy, smiling, laughing, and sad. Okay. How many biscuits do you get? Is it just one biscuit? Yep, it says one big biscuit. Oh, cute. Oh, I got, well, this one's winking. What face is that? Oh, he's winking. That's cute, and he's sticking out his tongue. Okay. Wow. I can totally taste honeydew melon. There's definitely honeydew melon flavor in this little biscuit. That's really good. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Moving on. Still got a few snacks to go in here. I have a feeling this is like a Pop Rocks. I think it might be like a Pop Rocks. Let's see if I can find that. Ah, here it is. This is called the Pachi Pachi Panic Cola Popping Candies. So, like I thought, it's like a Pop Rocks. We're gonna see. Because I did an Asian mystery snack box, I don't know, a few weeks back. And in that box, they had a Pop Rocks as well, but they didn't pop. Not like the Pop Rocks that you can get here. All right, let's see. All right, I'm just gonna lick it. Oh. Oh, yeah. Can you hear it? Callie can hear it. Oh, baby. Can you hear it? You hear it, baby? It's mommy. She can hear it. Okay. Those are definitely Pop Rocks. Definitely Pop Rocks. Hi, baby girl. Baby can't have Pop Rocks. Okay, those are good. I liked that. I think it's like a root beer flavor. All right. What else we got in here? All right, this one I saw over here. This is the Abeko little round shaped Ramoon candies. They supposed to quickly dissolve in your mouth. Baby, that's not for you, bub. It's not for you, bub. Come on, not for you. Not for you. Okay. So these, here, I didn't show you. So this is the little package. So I'm assuming this must mean that it's orange flavored. But they're little tiny candies. I'm sure also pure sugar. They're supposed to dissolve in your mouth. That's exactly what they do. They literally dissolve within seconds. but it is pure sugar. Pure sugar. Okay. All right. I'm probably going to skip this one. It's gum that turns your mouth blue. I'm all set. I don't want to turn my mouth blue. So I'm going to skip the blue gum. Sorry, everybody. I hate to disappoint. Maybe I'll do it at the end. We'll see. Okay. Next, we got... I think this is a Hi-Chew candy. I think. Yes, this is definitely a Hi-Chew. The thing with Hi-Chews is they're super, super sticky. Yeah, I can't. I'm afraid that if I eat this, it's going to rip out my teeth. It's good. I'll suck on it. Definitely green apple. But I can't eat it. I'm just not willing to risk my teeth. So that one's going to get tossed on me. Sorry, everybody. Sorry, everybody. I can't eat that one. Okay, next up I got, these look really delicious, but I can't seem to find them on this page. They almost look like sesame sticks. Oh, here they are. They're spicy rice crackers with salted peanuts. I already know I'm going to love this because I love rice crackers and I love peanuts. So let's just dive in. Let me see. Okay. Definitely can smell the peanut. So there's a little cracker. So this is what that looks like. I forgot to show you. And that's a little rice cracker, I guess. Ooh. Got a little kick to it. There's a little peanut. These little rice crackers, though, they definitely have a little kick. Yeah. Okay. Love that. That's good. That's really good. So those were Kaki peanuts, spicy rice crackers with salted peanuts. Okay. We did the Hi-Chew. We're not going to eat that. All right. What is this? This is called a mini bottle. Huh. All right. So it's a little bottle in there and it's basically just filled with powdered sugar. I'm not supposed to be eating this stuff, but I'm eating it just for y'all. Okay, this is cute. It's cute. It's a little bottle and it's full of sugar. I'll make the sacrifice. Okay. I think it's lemon flavored. Yeah, it's just pure sugar. Okay. It's fun. Different. This looks like Okay, this is just like a jelly. It's like a liquidy jelly. Oh, I don't know if I want to try this. I will though. I'll try it. They want me to open it right here. They say open here. I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to end up with this stuff all over me though. Jeepers. Well, it's kind of difficult to open. I'm afraid that it's gonna spill. It's like too liquidy and it's gonna like pour all over the place. All right, so it's definitely a jelly consistency. See it? All right, people, I'm gonna try it. Okay. It's a Jell-O. It's a Jell-O. It's Jell-O in a tube. It's not the best flavor of Jell-O. I don't know what that flavor is. I would guess it's some form of like blueberry or something. I don't know. Do I like that? No, I don't. I don't like that at all. That's a no for me. It's a big no. Okay, don't like that. All right, we did that. I don't know. Is anybody keeping count? Have I done 30? What is this? This says it's cola candy. Okay. This is Awa Cola Ramune Bubble Candy. I think it's probably like a hard candy, so I'll suck on it for a second and then I'm going to spit it out. Because I can tell already it's one of those hard candies. And I'm not committing to a hard candy. Yeah, it's a hard candy ball. Okay, that's good. They call it a cola candy. I'm not getting any cola. So I'm not too sure what they mean by that. Okay. That's all right. Hold on while I spit it out. Okay. That was okay. Do I love it? No, not really. So there's a lot of things on here that I don't see in the package. Like, I think I'm missing like 3 or 4 candies, but whatever. That's fine. I got this one. I think this is chocolate, maybe. Oopsie. All right. So these are little biscuits. It's a little, so here's the package. It doesn't really say much. It doesn't tell you much about the package. But here it's a little biscuit sandwich cookie. Okay, there it is. It's the Bisco Cream Sandwich Biscuit. That's it. Okay, let's try it. It's just, just, I don't love it. Okay. I got 2 things left in here. Okay, this one is chewing gum. It's Pokemon chewing gum. I'm not going for the chewing gum today. So I'm going to skip that. This one says it's bubble candy. Where is bubble candy on this list? I don't see bubble candy on here. But, oh well, I'm going to open it up anyway. Does this mean I'm supposed to blow bubbles? So this is the packaging. There's a little bubble guy in the front. It looks like he's blowing bubbles. It comes with 3 in the pack. So there's 1, 2, 3. This is what they look like. Am I supposed to be able to blow bubbles? Oh, I get it. It's like one of those fizzy candies. Sorry. Had to spit that one out. Ugh, yuck. Didn't like that one. That was the last one. That was the last candy in the box. The box is all empty now. It's just the stuff I spit out in it. Okay, so I have a couple of favorites, but there's not really many things that I really love. Oh, and I never figured out what this thing is. That's right. I skipped over this. Hold on. I never ever figured out what this is. It looks like a string. Oh, people can't be. I cannot figure out what these are. I mean, look. It looks like little ropes. Oh, what the heck? I'll try it. What the heck? I'll give it a try. Even though I don't see it listed on here. Oh, it smells like fish. Is it fish? No. No. Not my thing. No. Okay, so there's a couple items that I liked. A couple of items that I did not like. And then there was some items that were just like mediocre. So for certain, I absolutely loved the little triangle crackers. Love, love, love those. Those I would buy. I liked the little chocolate balls that they were referring to as poop. I liked the little chocolate wafer. That was good. I did like the spicy cheese puff thingamajig. That was good. And I did like these little crackers with peanuts. In fact, I'm going to eat another cracker because those were good. These, pure sugar. Blue gum. Marshmallow? Eh. But really, overall, would I recommend this box? Yes, because it's fun to try new things, experiment, and sometimes, you know, maybe my palate doesn't enjoy something that you might. So maybe all the things that I didn't like, you would like. I don't know. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it because it's fun. And it's only 20 bucks and you can try all different snacks that you normally wouldn't try. So yeah, I would recommend it. Why not? Give it a shot. The next mystery snack box I get, I think I'm going to do, there's one, it's all Turkish snacks. So I think I'll do that one next. But all in all, it was fun. It's an experience. It's good to try new things. Challenge yourself to try new things, you know? But I appreciate y'all watching. And I will link this snack box below if you're interested. And if you haven't yet subscribed, I'd love it if you did. And if you could give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or a thumbs down if you didn't. You know, your prerogative. And remember, all you need is love, fun moments, and endless memories to get you through this crazy life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.